before you can start trading on the Fame Marketplace, make sure you've onboarded yourself as a federated user in the Fame Federation. This is a one-time action that unlocks access to all trading features. Next, let's install MetaMask, a secure blockchain wallet. If you don't already have it, download the MetaMask extension for your browser from the official store. Once installed, you'll see the MetaMask icon appear in your toolbar. Now it's time to set up MetaMask. Click Create a new wallet, agree to the terms of use, and create a password. Next, secure your wallet by following the steps provided. For quick access, pin MetaMask to your browser's toolbar. To connect with Fame, open the Network menu and click Add a Custom Network. Enter the following details that you see on the screen. Leave the Block Explorer field blank and click Save. Finally, make sure the Fame Test Network is selected. This will remain active for future sessions. Within MetaMask, open the Account menu and choose Add Account. Select Ethereum account, give it any name you like, and click Add Account. This will create your blockchain account for Fame. Now let's enroll your new account as a trading account. Start by visiting the profile page of the Fame Data Marketplace and clicking Enroll Account. MetaMask will open as a pop-up. Make sure the account you just created is selected. If prompted to connect the account to marketplace.fame-horizon.eu, simply click Connect Account. Next, copy your account's public address from MetaMask and paste it into the enrollment form. Review the terms and conditions carefully, accept them, and press Enroll. Soon, MetaMask will ask you to approve a blockchain transaction. Confirm the process to authorize your trading account. In just a few minutes, you'll receive confirmation from MetaMask that your transaction was approved. And that's it. Your trading account is now active and you're officially enabled as a trader on the Fame Data Marketplace.